Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 10 ways to save $30,000 in 1 year on a low income. I know that saving money can be tough, especially if you're on a tight budget. But it's definitely possible, and I'm here to help you make it happen. So whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, a new car, or your child's education, these tips will help you reach your financial goals. 1. Create a budget and stick to it. This is the most important step of all. If you don't know where your money is going, it's going to be very difficult to save anything. So take some time to sit down and create a budget. Track your income and expenses for a month or two to get a good idea of where your money is going. Once you have a budget, make sure to stick to it. This means saying no to unnecessary expenses and being mindful of your spending. 2. Automate your savings. One of the best ways to save money is to automate your savings. This means setting up a direct deposit from your paycheck into your savings account. That way, you won't even see the money and you'll be less likely to spend it. 3. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Take a close look at your budget and see where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. This could mean things like canceling unused subscriptions, cooking at home more often, or taking public transportation instead of driving. 4. Get a side hustle. If you're struggling to save money on your current income, consider getting a side hustle. This could be anything from dog walking to freelance writing to starting an online business. 5. Get rid of debt. If you have debt, focus on paying it off as quickly as possible. This will free up more money in your budget that you can then put towards savings. 6. Increase your income. If you're able to, try to increase your income. This could mean getting a raise at your current job, finding a new job with a higher salary, or starting your own business. 7. Live below your means. This means spending less money than you earn. It's not always easy, but it's essential if you want to save money. 8. Set financial goals. What are you saving for? A down payment on a house? A new car? Your child's education? Having specific financial goals will help you stay motivated and on track. 9. Don't give up. Saving money takes time and effort. There will be setbacks along the way, but don't give up. Keep working towards your goals and you will eventually reach them. 10. Find a financial buddy. Having someone to support you on your financial journey can make a big difference. Find a friend, family member, or coworker who is also saving money and work together to reach your goals. Saving $30,000 in 1 year on a low income is possible, but it takes hard work and dedication. By following these tips, you can reach your financial goals and achieve financial freedom. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you want to learn more about saving money, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.